got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
She's too loud.
What you running here, man?
Same thing I had in the tracks. It's two DS18 EXL high excursion 12s on the Terrence Base 8K, and then I got two 6.5 DS18 Pros and two 4-inch DS18 Pros on a DS18 SXC 4000. 4004.
Yeah. Okay. Lil CC on the beat. Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start?
Small in the mall with a rat.
I got him high. But no, the last build I had, I gave you a demo in. I couldn't get anywhere below 35 hertz because it's just the tightness of the box.
Yeah.
This one's a little bit longer, a little bit taller, but yes, it is more narrow. But I was able to tune this box to 35 hertz.
Yeah.
And it can play all the way down to about 25 hertz and upwards of wherever you want to go. And it does perform well.
So the last one you couldn't go as low as you wanted to.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean,
It was a tight space though in there, wasn't it?
It was.
It was like a little dip in there that you was trying to work in. It was like a little.
Exactly. It was say 34 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and about 20 inches tall. This box is almost 40 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and 19 inches tall.
So you didn't have much room.
Well, the thing is with those, I couldn't do my port other than front to back, which only had 15 inches of space.
Right there at the trunk.
At the trunk.
Yeah.
Now this port runs from that side going that way. It's 20 inches long.
So you got more space this way.
Yes, sir.
And you can come up.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna blow through this thing?
Nah. I'm probably gonna wall it though.
Hey man, it's a difference between cutting a hole in the bed, ain't it, man?
I'm telling you.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
And I mean, I'm working with a guy. He's got a S10 regular cab. He's already got the blow through done, but what he did, he went through the window. He took the window instead of actually cutting.
And did like a little cab thing.
Yes, sir.
The little
Yes,
bed
sir.
cover.
And it works. It works.
Yeah.
We're working on it.
Well, I guess that's a little different. That still ain't cutting. You can always put your glass back like that.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, you can take everything out and the glass go back in like no problem.
Yeah.
So.
And once you cut that bed, it's over with.
Yeah. It's hard to put that back together.
Yeah. Let them know where they can find you at, man.
You can find me on Facebook under Jim Airgood. You can find me on TikTok, TDH Mad Professor, and also Instagram is TDH Mad Professor, I believe, as well. Either that or Jim Airgood. I appreciate you guys, and bass on, man.
Man, we'll see y'all next time.
Yes,
That's
sir.
good seeing you, man.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.